Everyone, welcome to our online art session. I hope everyone complete the previous assignment. So today we are learning a craft activity. So in this craft activity we are making a Christmas related greeting card. Yes. So for this assignment, which material required? Your normal drawing book paper or color tinted paper, but compulsory use light colors, don't use dark colors. Then origami paper kit. In this origami papers, black color, blue color, compulsory you can use it. Then if you don't have blue color, you can use light tone also, no problem, dark or light. Okay, then for the coloring you can use color sketch pens, color pencils or watercolors also. For the decoration part you can use the glitters, this type of glitters. If you don't have glitters, for the options I'm giving it, you can use wasted papers decoration, yeah, color sketch pen also. So step by step I will show in the demonstration how to decorate it. 3D effect, use dual tape. Students, if you don't have dual tape, I am giving one option also. Cut it in a rectangular strip and fold it and stick with the Fevistick and Fevicol. You get the 3D effect, that object. Okay. For the cutting part, use scissors, small scissor. Okay, and carefully cut it, students. So let's see how to do it. 3D effect greeting card. Today we are learning greeting card, 3D greeting card related to Christmas festival. So everyone observe this assignment. For the background I use yellow color tinted paper. It's not compulsory to use this color paper only. You can use any color paper, but try to use light colors. Otherwise one option you can use normal drawing book paper also. Here I compose the objects Santa Claus, Christmas tree, then bells, and here I'll mention Merry Christmas in this ribbon. You can change the style for the background. And for the decoration I use glitters. If you don't have glitters, students, you can use color sketch pens or rough wasted papers also for the decoration. So let's see how to do it step by step wise. First take a paper, normal paper. Okay, rough paper also you can use it, or otherwise you can use drawing paper. First I draw here small Santa Claus with the help of the pencil. Draw the cap first, then draw face. Don't draw very big, little bit this much size, normal 6 or 7 centimeter. Okay, then here draw this body, hands, he's holding a gift. Okay, this way, and then here downside draw the pant, and then shoes. Okay, our Santa Claus is ready. Then here I draw a small Christmas tree. You can make your own style Christmas tree drawing also, no problem. Then here I draw the bells. And 2 to 3 gift box. Okay, so this way our objects drawings are ready. Now I am taking black sketch pen to tracing. Slowly trace it. Now leave some space and slowly cut it in a proper border shape. This way. Okay. So this way you can cut it. When you cut the whole objects, your result will come this way. I already cutted these parts, bells and gifts. Okay. And for the Merry Christmas, cut the ribbon this way. Okay. Any shape you can cut it. I cut it in this shape. So this way our cutted objects are ready. Now take one paper. If you don't have color paper, you can use your drawing book paper also, and fold it in middle part. With the help of the red color sketch pen, draw the margin in front of side and back side also, inside also. Okay, now I am taking black and blue color origami paper. Okay, which color? Black and blue compulsory. Now I am taking a rounder. Okay, adjust the rounder properly. I am taking a rounder. First, I am checking this greeting cards paper size. So this much size is here. Take 5 to 6 centimeter radius and draw the first circle. 5 to 6 or 7 to 8 also, no problem. And draw the first black circle. Okay, suppose this radius is 8 centimeter, so blue color radius take 6 or 5 centimeter, small size. Now these both circles cutting with this scissor. Now for the sticking part, for the black paper circle, you can stick with Fevicol or Fevistick and stick it in middle this way. Now for the all objects we are sticking with this dual tape. I know some students don't have the dual tape, so I am giving a one trick. The rough paper cut it in these strips wise. Okay, cut it in this strip wise and put a Fevicol, Fevistick here and fold it up and make this strip wise. Okay, so get a 3D effect. So you can make 7 to 6 this way if you don't have dual tape at your home. Okay, so two options I'm giving it. So now I'm taking a dual tape. I'm cutting with scissor small parts. I'm sticking this dual tape here and I arrange it. Now same for this Santa Claus, trees, your bell and some gifts. Okay, I arrange it first and our ribbon will stick it this way. Merry Christmas. Okay, so this way you can compose your greeting card. You can replace your place also, no problem. So back side we are sticking dual tape, otherwise you can stick it this type of 3D effect strip also. Okay, now first I am arranging this Santa Claus here, then this side I am sticking Christmas tree, okay, then in upper side I am sticking the ribbon, Okay, then downside gifts, and here also second gift, and here this side, right side, I'm sticking bells this way. Now with the help of the sketch pen, I'm writing Merry Christmas. And decorate with sketch pen here, the borders. Okay, now I'm taking a glitters and decorate this Christmas tree. Students, if you don't have glitters, you can use color sketch pens also, no problem. This way you can stick it. Now here I'm showing some snow and some stars. Students, this way our Christmas greeting card is ready, 3D effect type. And after dried with glitters, inside you can write any message related to Christmas celebration festival. Okay, and you can decorate it with sketch pens this way. I'm making a socks. Then I'm making some circles. And you can write message related to Christmas festival. So this way our 3D greeting card is ready. I hope everyone understood this assignment, how to do it step by step wise, how to compose the this Christmas related object drawing, how to color it, then how to cut it step by step wise, and then take any color paper. Mostly try to use light papers, otherwise you can use your normal drawing paper also, and arrange it this way and beautifully way decorate it. So enjoy your work, students. Do it nicely and beautifully way. Have a nice day. Bye.